my dear loving alumni. We celebrate SJCE Alumni Reunion 2K23 on 15th of April 2023. It is our day. Let us mark our calendar. It is a great opportunity to meet your friends, greet your friends, above all occasion to collaborate and celebrate. Let us come together, celebrate and make this day a memorable one for all of us. We, the SJC family members, eagerly waiting to see all of you in the SJC campus on 15th of April at 9 a.m. Most welcome. God bless you.
Greetings. My sincere thanks to our lovable passed out students who are going to attend the Alumni Reunion 2K23 on 15th April. I am sure this reunion will recollect their memories which they had spent with their teachers, mentors and friends. It also helped the alumni to see the overall changes of our institution over the past few years. Without you, we can't do anything. Without you, we can't exist. Because of your hard work and continuous support, we achieved many laurels from university related to academics, athletics and sports activities. At this moment, I welcome you all to be the part of this association to give your continuous support to us forever. Thank you. Dear alumni,